Y'all, for the life of me, please, if you do anything to your face, wash your hands first. Nasty. I don't know what kind of look we're going for today. So we're going for it. Okay. Y'all, last time I did my eyebrows, I put lash glue in there because somebody said do it. Don't listen to other people because that's not for me. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know about y'all, but when I do my makeup, I got music playing in my head. Y'all not gonna hear it because it's in my head. But I see me moving crazy. It's because I'm listening to the music in my head. Okay. Let's do them brows. Ew, that's hideous. We're gonna fix it. We did it. Wow. Honestly, I like this brow better. It's shaped better. This one? Eyebrows are sisters, not twins. We're gonna do this brow first because I love this brow. And it's gonna make me feel better about doing the other brow. I don't know about y'all, but I quit concealing the top of my eyebrows. I'll do it today because I feel like it could use a little sculpting. See how much better this brow looks than this brow? I think I want to bring it in some more. Boom, 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 boom. All right, now let's work on this other piece of shit. Y'all don't like one brow better than the other? I can't stand this brow. And it's crazy because I'm acting like the brow is a different person or something. I don't know, it's just hair. But at the same time, why aren't you growing like this one? Why? Explain that to me. Half the time, I'm not gonna lie, I be wanting to shave it off. Y'all about to laugh at me because now I kind of like this one better. Just zoom y'all in closer. Come here. Come here. I hope that's better anyway. Because if it's not, oh well. You don't know what I'm about to do? I'm just gonna do it. I'm not gonna tell you. BRB. Okay. You go to finish. Well, it's not the finish look. I gotta do my lips. Take you out to Bermuda, no, no. You don't know how to act.